Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the mystical realms of active imagination. Have you ever wondered about the secret power your mind holds for creativity and self-discovery? Well, let's spill the beans on this incredible practice. Active imagination is like stepping into a vivid dream world while you're wide awake. It's a way to tap into your subconscious mind and bring your innermost thoughts and emotions to the surface. Who knew daydreaming could be so beneficial, right? Let's talk about how active imagination can supercharge your life. Picture this. It boosts your problem-solving skills, fires up your creativity, and helps you relax. Stress-free zone, anyone? Now if you're thinking, how can I do this? Don't worry. Finding your Zen place is key. Set yourself up in a cozy nook, close your eyes and let your mind wander freely. It's all about letting go and embracing what flows naturally. Let's sprinkle some real-life magic into this mix. Imagine artists crafting masterpieces from their visions or psychologists, unraveling the mysteries of the human mind. Active imagination is not just a concept, it's a game changer in various fields. You're probably itching to try this out, right? Well, let's unlock that inner creativity together. Release any blocks holding you back and soar into boundless imagination. In a nutshell, active imagination is your golden ticket to a world of endless possibilities. It's your path to growth, creativity, and self-discovery. So why not embark on this enchanting journey with us? Remember, the power lies within you. Embrace the magic, explore the depths of your mind, and watch the wonders unfold. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want more captivating content like this. See you next time and keep dreaming big.